Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to download an attachment from an assignment. There's a couple ways you can get there. You can go to My Classes, list all your classes, and then here it lists all of your current assignments. And if you scroll within that box, you'll see all your assignments for this week. And we're going to go to this one in computer, but we can also go to My School, My Classes, Computer 8. And if you come over here, it would be here as well. So we click on that assignment, and you probably are used to seeing this. Look for this tab where it says attachments, and we're going to download this Word document. And mine is set up so that I can automatically just go in and pick where I want to put it. I would save it here. Uh, Yours might come up to just a blank screen, and it may notify you down here that it downloaded if you click on it and choose open, and then you can do file save to anywhere on your device that you would like.